Mas everyone, good morning. Today's video ay gagawa tayo ng Graham fruit cocktail float. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the rock and roll. And here are the ingredients. What we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is imimix natin yung ating all-purpose cream. Ayan. At saka ang ating condensed milk. Ayan. Mix them very well. So, ayan ka-friendship, na-mix na natin siya ng mabuti. What we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is maglagay tayo ng ating graham crackers sa ating container. Ayan. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. And then, maglagay tayo ng ating cream. Na po, nalagyan na natin ng cream, yung ibabaw ng ating grahams. So, what we're going to do next is maglagay tayo ng ating fruit cocktail. So, depende yan sa inyo ka-friendship kung ano ka kapal yung ilalagay ninyo. Ka-friendship, nakagawa na tayo ng ating first layer. So, gawa ulit tayo ng isa. So, ganyan lang siya ka-friendship. Layer lang yan hanggang sa maubos yung ating sauce at saka yung ating fruit cocktail. Ayan na siya ka-friendship. Na-layer na natin. So, what we're going to do next is maglalagay tayo ng ating final touch. So, ayan. Mas makulay, mas masaya. Ayan na po ka-friendship ang ating finished product. So, i-chill lang muna natin siya bago siya i-serve. Okay? Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating Graham fruit cocktail float for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutumira at your service. Always remember, respect is the most important element of your personality. It is like an investment. Whatever you give to others, it will return to you with profit. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.